Stealth project coming along. Looking pretty good. I like the aerodynamics of this one. I got the nose swooping downward. Based off the one in the movie Stealth. I'll be wrapping it up by tonight. Get her finished up and get a maiden in tomorrow. Got the thrust vectoring. Get you a flight video as soon as possible. Talk to you soon. Over and out.